Whether you're an adventurer or an ordinary driver, you need a couple of gadgets to accompany you. There are some fancy things to have fun, and there's something cool for the Iron Man fans and content creators. It's F1 car in the world of boats, and you need to assemble it yourself. The possibilities are endless since you can customize it to suit all your needs. Okay, once you're done, you notice how rugged it is. I mean, it's super rugged. Bang! As you see, nothing can stop you now. Aside from durability, the jet is extremely agile, so you can perform a couple of tricks while fishing or hunting. This portable fireplace will add some soothing touches to all your gatherings in and outdoors. Yes, you can roast marshmallows on it. The refill will take just a couple of moments. And unlike real fire, this particular fireplace produces no smoke. A clean flame with comfortable warmth only. Now you can experience a real campfire without the smoke, ash, or costly firewood. Turn yourself into an avatar. Sony introduced a tracking system called Mocopi that helps users transfer them to Metaverse on their smartphones. Mocopi consists of 6 wearable trackers you need to attach to wrists, ankles, head, and waist. After you're done, move the way you like, and the system allows you to capture the movement and transfer it to the app on your mobile device, without expensive and overall equipment, right at home. A tiny infinite abyss in your pocket. These spinning coins combine a metal body and tungsten carbide tip to create that mesmerizing effect. You can spin them by hand or use the custom spinning launcher that may also double as a stand. Once this thing is launched, it'll keep spinning for the next 25 minutes. The hypnotic optical illusion will look slightly different depending on the speed. Is that a card holder? That's one of the most portable shavers I've seen. It's the size of a credit card and it's less than 0.5 inches thick, but it'll give you a clean shave. A powerful motor combined with stainless steel blades ensures excellent shaving quality. Thanks to the ultra-thin mesh, the shaver gets really close to your skin without any cuts. Keeping the device clean is easy, just rinse it with water. As for charging, you might use a regular USB cord or even a wireless charger. Remember that minimalistic nothing phone? Here are the Nothing Ear earbuds that weigh less than an ounce. Add an ergonomic design and you can easily wear them all day long. Crafted with a custom 0.5-inch driver, they produce an authentic sound. Additionally, they provide minimal distortion and amplify all the fine details, whether you're gaming or streaming. Moreover, their clear voice technology makes you sound like yourself through the 3 high-definition mics. Finally, they provide wind and crowd-proof calls. Tired from those jangling keys in your pocket? Organize them with the Rhinokey Key Organizer. It fits up to 10 keys. There's more. The built-in tracker makes sure you've always got them and notifies you in case you've forgotten the organizer somewhere. But what I love best is that there's a whole toolbox you might need for quick fixes on the go. It has a built-in LED flashlight, a flathead screwdriver, a bottle opener, a hex wrench, a ruler, a file, and even a bit holder. This lamp from Govee looked so minimalistic, you wouldn't expect much from it. Yet it's incredibly smart and versatile. You can pick one of preset modes depending on the occasion in the app, or ask the assistant to do that, or create your own using your favorite colors. Not to mention there are several buttons on top to run through the settings manually. It's high time to simplify your daily car routine. The most annoying thing in winter is removing that thin layer of ice from all the windows. But this little gadget makes the process almost effortless. The palm-sized and lightweight body makes it super easy to hold with one hand. All you need to do is just push the power button and move the gadget slowly around the window. The rechargeable battery allows about 15 minutes of continuous use. There's an LED indicator to show you the battery status. Also, you get a protection cover for safe storage. There are so many bags for various occasions. Why haven't you thought of a bag you could mount on your bike? This bag, or better say 2 bags, mount right on the bike frame in several seconds and have a built-in rotatable phone mount for your mobile device. Well, since it's a bike bag, it comes with a waterproof cover for rainy days and some reflective elements to make you more visible in the dark. Let's free some space in your kitchen. This spice dispenser has 5 compartments you can fill with your most frequently used spices. But the best part is that it'll also grind them for you, so you always have fresh ground spices every time you cook. It's easy to use and easy to refill. I think it's time to eliminate all that clutter on your countertops and in your cabinets. Is that another fancy fidget spinner? Nope, it's a tiny portable Bluetooth speaker with a huge potential. It's powerful enough to play up to 12 hours on one charge. Well, in case it isn't loud enough, pair 2 of them for some stereo. Keep it in your bag or hang it on a lanyard, it's up to you. An important feature for selfie maniacs, the speaker will help you to take a perfect selfie. Time goes by so quickly, you forget important dates like wedding anniversaries, birthdays of people you love, and so on. This retro-looking device called Memory Box will make sure you won't miss any of them. So it's an elegant e-ink calendar that delivers the date in an exhilarating way. It also allows you to learn more than 6,000 fun facts about people that made history, events that left a mark in the world, and so on. What's cool? The calendar also allows you to connect with your friends in a fun and unique way. Go check the inbox. You've got a message. Who said your lighter doesn't need protection? You'd better protect your classic lighter from the elements with these THYRM PyroVault protective lighter armors. Offering a sealed enclosure, they come with a webbing clip and sure grip surface. The O-ring seal minimizes evaporation and keeps the dirt, dust, and water away from your lighter. There's also a spring-loaded cap that makes one-hand operation possible. Both cases are suitable for standard Zippo-style lighters, no matter butane or fluid torch models. Hiding in bushes for hours to take nice animal pics? This cam will do that for you. Just mount it on a tree and run through the settings using the button. That's it. Now you'll get HD videos and crisp pics no matter the weather and part of the day. The cam starts working only when it detects the motion, so this way it can work up to 120 days on one charge. Bulky power banks are gone to the past. With this portable pocket fit cutie, you can seamlessly charge your headphones, Apple or USB-C gadgets whenever you need them. Well, yeah, with its 1400 mAh battery, it won't charge your iPhone up to 100%. It's more like a power boost in emergency situations. The secret is that special magnetic dock that'll keep your power bank fully charged 24/7. That's the coolest key keeper we've seen so far. There are billions of pocket knives, but how to pick a worthy one? This one looks pretty simple, yet it performs all the things you want a knife to perform. First, that locking mechanism looks stunning. You can deploy the blade with the push of a thumb. Bang! And you've got a razor-sharp knife in your hand. So cool. And so handy when you need to open boxes, parcels, and envelopes. Just in case, you can use it as a scraper too. When folded, it's safe, so you can hang it onto your keychain and keep it in your pocket. If you like video games and enjoy riding a bike, you can do both of these things simultaneously now. But how? Well, now there are certain games that simulate cycling. But for the ultimate experience, the developers have come up with a way to use those games with a real bike. They created this motion and speed controller. You only need to place the front wheel on the track sensor and attach the speed sensor to the rear wheel hub. Now you can ride your bike in virtual reality, travel around the world, compete with your friends, and beat interesting games. Moreover, it's a great way to maintain your physical activity. Here's the famous arc reactor, which proves that Tony Stark, a famous genius, billionaire, playboy, and philanthropist, has a heart. This thing is a one-to-one replica, but it's a bit more simple. Pull out the main part and take a closer look, but don't try inserting it into your chest. Instead, you better use the remote control to switch between the 3 lighting modes or adjust the brightness. Choose between slow and rapid flashing, or just leave it with the always-on mode. Be careful, one day some villains may come and steal it. Whether you want to record a song, produce a podcast, or get an interview, this portable recorder perfectly handles all that. A large touchscreen allows you to choose different settings and apps. For example, there's an app with all the needed tools for a podcast and a similar one but for music. You'll definitely enjoy the abundance of output options. With 4 XLR ports, you can record up to 8 tracks simultaneously. Moreover, there's a special mobile app to control the recording remotely from your phone. Whatever you're doing, it'll sound great.